Who am I? Who am I as a individual dream maker? Like, I've never wanted to be an entrepreneur. What I wanted to do was make my dreams come true. And I think that that's gotten me through the cycles of trying to figure out how to become a sales guy if I needed to, or a sales manager, or how do I hire people? You know, how do I organize a business? When do I spend money? In the interim, in the meantime, I got to spin plates, and whether it's the kids or the wife and the relationship, or it's my own dreams. What about my dreams? Because I see a lot of people get lost in what they want to do because of the job. And I know I did from probably 25 till 45, I was in one job. I was a sales guy. I was trying to peddle something, sell something, get some money so that I could fund my lifestyle. My first company was working for somebody else. Like, I hear a lot of guys saying, I don't want to work for somebody else. I don't want to keep making other people. When I became successful in another company and then left that company and went and worked for another company and made them super successful, to the point to where these companies were literally dependent upon me. When I finally left that company, they went under. Like, my production was so high that one person leaving, the entire company failed. Went to my next job, which was speaking, consulting, using my sales philosophies and gifts, if you will. And we would go around companies and teach them. And I worked for him for 20 months. I was like the top guy in his company. Now, the reason I'm saying that is that was a job for me, and that was a business. I treated my little department like this is my company within a company. It wasn't until I figured out how to make somebody else rich that I could be rich.